I'll say the blade right there. You're buying the big 3-point blade right there. What do you get for right there? 100 on the bill. 100 on that heavy blade. 100, let's go 25. Yep. 25, 30. 25, 30.
Get your bids in. We're going to walk right down through here.
25, 30, 40. 40, 40. 30, 40. 30, what do you get 40 where? 30, 40 right?
Yeah.
50. 50. 40
blade.
On the blade. 40, what do you get 50 where? 40, 50 right? 40, 50, 50, what do you get 50, 80 where? Sold it your way, $40.
You're buying the little right there, the scraper. You're buying that one to go right there. $50. $50, can you see? $50, can you see? 50 out there. 50, give me 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 130, 40, 140, 50, 150, 160, 160, 70, 170, 170, 80. I got 70 here, 80 there, 90, 190, 190, 180's up front, 190. Yeah. Yep. $200, 210, 210, 20, 220, 30, 240, 240, 250, 260, 250, $60. $250, $60. Can you say 250, 60? 260 right here, $250. 131.
131, sir. So the big snow blade right there. You're buying that big snow blade right there. What do you get for right there? Give me $50 bill. 50 on a snow blade. 50, 50, 50 where? $10. Let's go. Yep. 10, 15. 10, 15 on a snow blade. 10, what do you get 15 where? 10, 15 right. Adapt her up. Put her on the tractor. 10, 15. Yeah. 15, 20, 25, $30, 35, $40, 45, 40, what do you get 45 where? 40, 45, right? 45, anybody else? 40, 45, what do you get 45 where? Sold it to him, $40, number 91. 91.
The big mower. Look at that. Hardly wore anything off of it. You're buying it right there, give me $400. $400, can you say, $400? $400, can you fall, give me two. $200, can you say two out there if you're looking for a mower? There's it. 100, I'll take. 150, 200, 150, want two. $200, care two out there. 150, $200.
Yeah.
250, 250, 300, 300, 350, 350, 354, 354, 354. $400, can you say 375 now for. 375 now for. $400, can you fall back here? 40 where? 375, want $400. 400 quicker gone. 400 out there, 4 back there. Your way, 375.
Number 29.
Right on down the line right there, I'll say the Farm King finish mower right there. The 3-point finish mower right there. And obviously it works because they mowed most of this field out here with it the way it looks. But you're buying the Farm King right there. Go up and give me a water. What do you get for right there? Give me 300. Let's go. $300. 100. 150.
Yep.
200.
Yep.
250. 300.
Yep.
350. 400. 400. 400. 375. I'll take. 400. 425.
425.
450. 475. $500. 525. 525. 500. 525. Where?
That's just 25% of a new one. We're still a dealer for them.
Yep. 525. Anybody else? Did I hear it? 525. 550. 550. 550. 550. 550 right? 525. 50. Yeah. 575.
75.
575.
Still cheap.
575 right? She'll mow grass. 555. 75 where? 575, 600, 625, 625, 625 where? 600, 625 you share. 600, 625 right? 625.
Yeah.
650. Oh. 650. 625, 50. 650, 650. 650, anybody else? 625, 50. 650. 625, 50.
Who has it right now?
You have it. 625.
Yeah. No. Oh, okay.
650. Anybody else? 650.
No.
He bought it right there, $625. What's
Right
your
to
number,
forward.
please?
There she said. She
40. 40's the buyer.
Give me 200. $200. Can you say 2 on the forward? $200. Can you say 2? I think be 100. Let's go.
Yep.
150. 150. 100. 100. Go on. Give me 125. We'll bang her out. 125. 50. 150.
Yep.
175. $200.
Yep.
225. 250.
Yep.
275. 275. 3.
Yep.
325. $325. Can you say 3 and a quarter? $325. Can you say 325? 325 there. 325 anywhere. Your way. $300.
29.
29's the buyer. Right on down the line right there. I'll sell you this utility trailer he had made up right there. He put wood in this? Okay, there's the story all right. That's what he used to haul his wood around in right there. Tandem axle right there. You're buying that big heavy trailer right there. What do you get for it right there? Give me 300. Let's go. That big heavy trailer, $300. 100, 150. 200. 250. 250. 250. 200, 225. I'll take 225, 250. 225, 50. 250 where? 225, 250.
Look under. Look around.
225, 50, 75. 275. 275 where? 250, 275 right? 250, 75.
Yep.
300. 275, 300. 275, 300 where? 275, 300 right? 275, 300, 300. 275, 300, 300. You bought it. Remember, 39, $275.
Right down the line, we're telling you the gravity. And we got the chute for it. We found that back in the back of the barn. We're getting the chute and all right there. This could be $400. $400. Can you say $400? $400 can be 2. You're buying the gravity all the way down. 100 I'll take. 150. 100, 150. $150. Can you say 100, 150? $150. I know everybody wants the real big ones. I understand that. But this will haul grain around just the same way as
150
anything
you
else.
got.
150, 200. 200. 175, 200. 200 back there. 175, 1, 2, 225.
Yep.
225. 2's up front. $225. $225. 200, 225. Anybody else? 225. You're in up here. 225. 225 back there. Right there he stands. $200. Number 127.
27. Right on down there, right there, the side slinger manure spreader right there.
You'll stand up beside this one, too.
I'll stand on the other side of it, yeah. You're buying the old manure spreader right there. You take the, you've looked her over right there. What do you get for right there? $100 bill. The manure spreader, $100 bill. 50, 60. 50, 60. 50, what do you get 60 where? 50, 60 manure spreader. 50,
Yep.
60, 70. 80.
Yep.
80, 90. 100. $100. 90, what do you give 100 where? 90, 100 right.
Yep.
90, 110. 90, 100. 90, what do you give 100 where? 90, 100. Anybody else want in? 90, 100, 100. He bought it right there. $90. His number is 35. 35.
You buy the dump trailer. There's the down on here. You're buying that one to go right there. $200.
Yeah.
250. Did you say 200?
Yes.
250. 225. Now 50.
Yeah.
275. 300. 325. 350. 375. 4. 425. 450. 450. 500. 550. 600. 650. 700. 650. Wants 7. 750. 750. 800. 800. 750. Want 8.
Hello, Moto.
850. 850. 900. 900. 850. What? 900. What could you say? 9 out there. $900. Anybody else?
This is a pickup dump bed, Jerry. He put this under this applicator carriage, but you could take this off, put it in the back of your 8-foot pickup, and down the road you go.
850. I got 9. I want. $900. What could you say? 9 out there. 9. Anybody else? 850. $900 here. 900. He owns it right here. $850. Number 81.
81. So a little utility trailer right there. You're buying that little trailer right there. What do you get for it right there? Give me a $50 bill. 20. Yep. 30. 30 on the little trailer. 20. What do you get 30 where? 20, 30 right. The little trailer. 20, 20, 30. 30. Anybody else out in? 20, 30, 40. 50. 60. 50, 60 on the little trailer. 50, what do you get 60 where? 50, 60, anybody else want in? 50, 60. 50, what do you get 60, 60, what do you get 60 where? You bought her $50, number 109, 109.
Come on down, we got the extra shanks. Of course, he had to take off some of the shanks for the horsepower he had. You can put them back on, they're right there. You're buying right there. The one I'm leading on right there, $400. $400, back in you say, $400. $400, back give me 100. 150. 150. $150, back in you say, 100, 150. If you got big power, you can put those shanks back on, and they're pretty decent. 125 I'll take. 100, 150, 150, 150, 75, 175, you're out, Steve. 150, 75. $175, anybody else? 150's my way, 175. 175, right there he stands. $150. Number is 34.
Right on down the line right there, I'll say the little disc right there.
Genuine Alice Chalmers.
Genuine Alice Chalmers, that's right. Guaranteed to be on. You're right there buying a little disc right there. What do you get for right there? Give me 200, let's go. That little disc, $200. 100, let's go. 125, 125, 125 on a disc, 100, 125. 100, what do you give 125 where? 125, anybody else want in? 150, 175, 175, 150, 175, 150, 175 where? 150, 175, 200. 175, 200. 175, what do you get 200 where? 175, 200 right? 225, 250, 250, 225, 50, 250, anybody else? 225, 50. You bought it right there, $225, number 66.
Up to the plow, you're buying the plow right there, all the way down to right there, $100. $100 on the plow, what if you say $100? What if you say $100, you mean 25, 35, 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, 90, 90, 100, 110, 110, 20, 120, 130, 130, 130, 40, 140, 140, put back here, 130, 140. $140, anybody else? $130, $40. $140, okay, put back here, 40 out there. 140, right up there, he is $130 right there.
9-1.
9-1.
Right on down the line right there, I'll say a little single packer right there. Heavy single packer right there. What do you get for that one right there? 200, let's go. 200 on the little single packer. 200, 200, 100, let's go. 100 you say, 125. The single packer, 125. 100, what do you give 125 where? 125 right. 125, anybody else want in? 125, 5, what do you give 125 where? Did you say 125? Yeah, sold her up there, $100 bill.
Field cultivator, got the ribbon on the back. You're buying her
127.
right there, $127. $100 on the field cultivator. $100, can you say $100? Give me 50 and let's go. 60. 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 120, 110, 20, back, did you say 20, 30, 130, 130, did you say it? 140, 140, 130, $40, yep, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, $200, 225, 210, 210, we'll keep banging her out, 210, 220, 220, 220, 230, 230, 220, 30, 40, 240, $230, $40, $240, okay, 40 right here, $230. Number is 94.
94. Right on down the line right there. I'll say the little hair right there. You're buying that one right there. What do you get for right there? $100 bill on that one. That little hair, $100 bill. 100, let's go. 100 where? 50 right. The little hair, $50 bill. 75, 50, 75, 75, 100, 125, 125, yep, 150, 150, 75, 175, 175, 150, 175 where? 150, 175, 200, 225, 225, 225, 225 right? Yep. 250, 275, 275 wire, 250, 275 rate. 250, 275 wire. 250, 75. He bought her $250 right there.
You're buying
127,
right
127.
Right there, $50. $50 a kg, you say 50 on the spring too. $50 a kg, 50 can be 20. 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 40, $50. $50, anybody else?
Yep.
40, 50, 60. 50's your way, 160. 50, $60 a kg, 50, $60. $60 a kg, 60 out there, 60 to buyer. 60 your way, $50.
91.
There he is. There's our man.
She starts, she's full for it.
out of the crate. They all work. All right, this is the gentleman you want to talk to about how to switch things over so you can work out of the cage and so forth. But there it is. Look at it. I mean, oh my. Here's a rare opportunity today. You're buying that one sitting the way it is right there. This could be $10,000. $10,000. Can you say $10,000? 10 back there. What's she worth to you? Could be four.
Yeah, 4,000.
$4,000. Can you say four to start it? $4,000. Can you say four out there?
You got 4,000.
Forward 4,500.
Yep.
5,000, 5,500.
Yep.
6,000, 65. 65, 65, 65, 7,000, 75, 75, 8,000, 85, 9,000, 9,000, 95, 95, 10,000, $10,000. $10,000. Can you say 95, 10,5, 10,5, 10,5 new bidder? You're both out. $10,500, 11,000, 11,5, 11,5, 11,5.
Yep.
12,000, 12,5. 12,500, $12,500. Can you say 12,500? 12,000, $12,500. 12,500 back there, 5 anywhere. I got $12,000. Here's an opportunity, a rare opportunity on a farm sale to buy something that are extremely expensive if you buy them new. If you had a use for it, they're as handy as a pocket in the shirt, and you just don't see them very often. I got $12,000. 12,500 I got. 13 I want. 13,500.
Yep.
14,000. 14,000. 14,000. 14,500. 14,500. $14,500. $14,500. Can you say 14,500?
Yep.
15,000. 15,500. 15,500. $15,500. Can you say 15,500?
Go price them at 50,000.
Oh my. I did some research on this rascal, and I looked what new, and I about knocked me off the chair.
That sounds good, John.
I got $15,000 on one you could take and use if you got use for it. My oh my, they are handies. Steve's got one at the farm, and they're just handy as can be. I have $15,000, 15.5. $15,500. Can you say 15.5? $15,500. Here, anybody else want in? $15,500. $15,500. Here, 5 out there, 5 anywhere. $15,500. Gentleman owns it right there. Number 33, $15,000.
Right on down the line, I'm selling you the John Deere drill. Take a good look at that, fellas, right there. It's got almost no wear on it. Usually plant soybeans. There you go.
A lot of stuff.
Does the boy go with it?
There, there you go. Parts of the extra wheels and the closing wheels and everything go with it. You're buying about as nice a John Deere, used John Deere drill as you're going to buy. $10,000. $10,000. $10,000. $5,000. Let's go.
Yep.
$6,000. I got 5. 6,000.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7.
Yep.
8.
Yep.
9.
Yep.
Yeah.
9,000's there. 10,000 where?
Yeah.
11,000 where?
Yep.
12,000 there.
Yeah.
13,000 there. 14,000 there. $14,000.
Yeah.
$15,000. $16,000. $16,000. 15, 16. 16,000 where? 15. When do you get 16,000? 15, 16. Anybody else want in? 15, 16,000. 16, 15, 5. 16,000. 16, 5. 17,000. 17, 5. 18,000. 18,000. 18, 5. 18,500. 18,500 where? 18,500 right. Anybody? 18,500, yes or yes? 18,500, anybody else? 18,500? You say it? Sold it to him right there, $18,000, number 33.
150 on the postal logger. 150 back to you say 150 give me 50.
Yep.
60.
Yeah.
70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 130, 40, 140, 50, 175, 75, 200, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300, $300 here, 275 up, 3, 275, 300, anybody else? $300 back here, 3 out there, 3 quick, 275, 1, 3. Right there he is, 275.
127. 127.
Okay.
Right on down the line, I'm selling you the PTO generator right there.
Oh, there it is.
There's the PTO shaft for it right there. You're buying the PTO generator right there. What do you get for it right there? Give me 200. Let's go. 200 on a PTO generator. 100, 125, 125, 125, 150, 175, $200, 225, 250, 275, 275. 250, 275, 300, 325, 350, 375, $400, 425, 425. There, you're buying insurance. 425, 450, 450, 475, $500, 525, 525, 525. Again, you're just buying yourself insurance. $525, 525 rate. 500. What do you get? 525. Anybody else? 500, 525. He bought it. $500 right there. 40, 40.
Here. Little 4-inch, I think, clean out auger. That's what you're buying right there. $25. 25 on the clean out auger. 25 back, could you say 25? Give me 10. Clean out auger. $10. Anybody? $10 back here. 10 out. Give me 5. Anybody interested? 5, 7.5. 5, 7.5. This clean out auger. 5, 750. $5, 7 up. Can you say 7.5? Right there he stands. $5, number 56.
Down the line right there, I'll say that auger right there. Old transport auger right there. There's the boot for it right there. You're buying that old transport auger right there. What do you get for it right there? $100 bill. 100 on the old transport auger. 100 you say here. 100 where 25, let's go. Transport order, $25. All right, what you were 210? 5, 7.5. 5, 7.5, that's your price. 5, 7.5, anybody else want in? 5, 7.5, 7.5. You bought her $5 bill right there.
Post on
34.
post down there. Deal post.
134.
Down them all to you. You're buying them all right there. I want $35. 35 for all of them. 35. I could just say 10, 15. 10, 15. Not like you're 15, 20. 20, 25. 25, 30. 30, 30. 35. 35, 40.
Yep.
45. 45, 50. 50, 55. $55. All the posts. 50, 55. Not like you just say 50, 55. 55. Not like you're 5 out there. 55 your way. $50.
6.4 is the buy right there. I'll say a little full tank sprayer right there. There's the extra boom for it right there. You're just buying the little John Deere full tank sprayer right there. All right, what do you get for it right there? $10 bill. $10 little sprayer. $10 bill. $1 anybody?
Yeah,
2. That'd be 2, 3.
I think this boom goes with that sprayer.
I'll show you.
I didn't see anything.
I believe this one goes with that. We just got it out of line. And again, I was here. I'll take the blame.
I'll
I'll
show you.
start all over
I don't want
again.
to
That boom belongs down there.
That's the only thing.
I got $1 over here. $2 here.
Half moons.
$3 over
Those go
here.
in the hole.
$4 here.
The
$5
opening of the
here.
half moon
$6
facing away
here.
From the screw
$5,
hole.
$6.
Screw in and
$6, $7. $8.
But I'll show you before I leave.
$9. $10 bill. $12.50.
Yeah.
$15.
And the reason
$17.50. $20 bill. $22.50. $25. $27.50. $30.
step when she's come down and fell and landed straight on
$32.50. $35. $35. $32.50. $35. Anybody else? $32.50. $35. Sold at $32.50. Number 127.
I'm gonna sell you the little Demco 3-point sprayer. Buying it from right there. $50. $50. 50 out there. 50 give me 20.
Yeah.
20, 30. 20, 30. $30 give you 30, 40. 30, 40, 50. 50, 60. 60, 70. 70, 80. 80, 90. 90, 100. 110. 110. $110, can you say $110? $110, Eddie bet 10, now 20. 120 new bidder. 120 back here, 110, 120. 110 is out, 120. $120, can you say 110, 20? You are in, sir. I won't take you twice in a row. That's not fair. 110, 20. $120 back here, 20, gentlemen. Right there, $110. Your number, sir. Number 93.
Say that sprayer right
There's
there.
the boom.
And again, there's the boom that belongs with it over there. You're just buying that little sprayer right there. There's the pump for it right there. You're buying what you see right there. $10 bill. $1.02. $1.02 where? $1 to get two right. $1.02. $1 to get two. $2 to get two. Anybody else? $1.02 sold. $1. Number 127. 127.
5, 5, 5. I keep you say 5 on the gate. 5, I keep you say 5. Give me 2. Wooden gate, $2. Anybody need a gate? 2, 3. 2, 3. $3. I can just say 3 out there, 3 back there, $2, $3. 2, 1, 3. He owns it right there. $2, number 67.
Right on down the right there. I'll sell you 3-point hitch pallet forks right there. You're buying that nice set of pallet forks right there, 3-point hitch right there. What do you get for right there? $75. $75. 75 where? 25. Let's go.
25.
25, 30. 25, 30 pallet forks. 30 there. 30 right. 40. 40, 50. 50, 50, 60. 60, 70. 80. 90. 100.
Yeah, I'll do it.
10. 110. 120. 120. 130. 140.
Yep.
150. 160.
Yep.
170. 170. 160, 70 where?
Anybody else?
160, 170. Anybody else? 160, 170, 70. Sold at 160. Your number, please.
You're buying the 3-point scraper box. There it sits right there. Just be 200.
85 is the box.
$200. I can just say 2 on the scraper box. $200. I can just say 2 out there. Give me 50. 75. 50's way back. 75.
Yep.
75, 100, 125, 125, 50, 150, 75, 175, 175, 200, 2 out there. 175, 200 there. 200 out of here, 2 out there, 175, want 2. Scraper box. 225, 225, 250, 250, 225, $250, 225, 50. Right there, $225.